From saving lives to being able to put people in their house for life. I was raised with a paramilitary background. I am a fireman, so integrity was a big thing for us. Being able to do the right thing because it's the right thing to do is something that I implement into my business 100%. I'm able now to help people, help my community, being able to now diversify my whole life and do real estate full time. For me, it's what I do, it's what I love doing. I wake up, coming into the office, interacting with people. To me, that's just great. As far as what I bring to the table, my values, integrity, honesty, trust, and most importantly, dedication. I feel accomplished. I was put in a position to do work and I got it done. How do they feel? They feel happy. They feel ecstatic. Bryan got it done. I love that. I'll make sure to get you the best deal here in Miami. My name is Bryan Ozuna. Let me help you find your spot.